Hi, I'm Justin. I'm a second year student from the School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. I came in without any expectations, just wanting to learn more, experience, see what it's really like. And I'm glad to say that at the end of it, I really managed to expand my horizons. The fact that I was able to work with such a cohesive and interdisciplinary team with everyone from all different schools. No one is from the same faculty, right? So there's no groupthink. So sometimes groupthink can be a bit dangerous, in the sense that, when people start to groupthink, sometimes wrong ideas or ideas that may not be good kept getting pushed through. So the fact that we are able all to maturely discuss and collaborate on this project, I think it really brought me a lot of value to see what kind of environment that I can be in the future workforce in the next time. I think that NTU PEAK is a very technical, robust program, but I would say the skills that I gained the most was actually my soft skills. Time management, project management, effective communication. I think these are the skills that I actually managed to work on the most. NTU PEAK really allowed me to expand my horizons and even learn more about myself as a person through the strengths-based leadership workshop. I think that was something that was very beneficial to my team as well, because we could really allocate who did what role or who was responsible for which portion. Being in NTU PEAK really allows me to experience what the workforce is like. The fact that I was able to communicate with various stakeholders, ask them questions, make sure that I understand their response correctly, go through proper design thinking processes. I think these are things that are not only important here in NTU, but also in the future when we enter the workforce as qualified adults. The three words that I will use is exhilarating, real, and current. Before I joined NTU PEAK, I really had no idea what NTU PEAK was about. I knew it was something related to industry mentoring, solving quote-unquote real-world problems, but I had no idea that they were so deep to the company as it did to us. Personally for me, I used NTU PEAK as a good break for my work. So instead of thinking about equations, I was actually thinking about project management, time management, product management as well. I think these are things that are very important to people in the workforce. So whatever we might be learning now in schools, even though it might not be directly applicable to what we'll be doing in the future, I think all these soft skills were very important. We were solving very real issues that the companies themselves were facing. And I think for us, being able to work on current problems and getting the feedback from them that we did very well, it really warmed my heart because it allowed me to see what the real world was like, even while being in school. And that's an experience that I'll take with me into the future workforce and my internship as well.